Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I'll be showing you how to create a group chat on Instagram. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So first of all, we're going to be opening up our Instagram app. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to move to the explore let's just move to the chat box and let me first make a group. So on the top right, you see that pen and pad button. You're going to press on that, and now you can just add a few people in here, and then you can hit chat. Now you can see you created this group, you follow 2 people on Instagram. What I'm gonna do is I can change the group photo from the gallery. I can add anything. I can add a nickname to the group as in test. And once that's done, I can also change the theme of the chat, and there are other things that you can explore later on, but the group has been created. So if I send hi here, 2 of my accounts, one, see, I got one here, that's my own account, and the other one is my friends. So if I were to send any random thing from my explorer, oh my god, this explorer in this country sucks. But if I were to send anything from my explorer, it's gonna go to the group. And you saw above that we got the notification on the other account as well, so you can see that this group is totally working. So that is how you create a group on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you guys.